I've got the OnePlus 13, and let me show you how to change the screen refresh rate. So this is very simple. Just go to settings. Under settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Tap on that. And then if you scroll down, you should see the option for screen refresh rate. Tap on that. Now mine is set to auto select by default, and that means it's going to automatically select the optimal refresh rate at any time, depending on what you're doing on your phone. So you can choose standard, which will cap the refresh rate to 60 Hertz, and that's good for conserving battery, but it's not very smooth. Now you can choose high, which says uses a refresh rate of up to 120 Hertz for an optimal visual effect and a smooth experience. This may increase battery usage and cause the device to heat up. You can further specify the refresh rate for individual apps. So you can go into specific applications and decide what refresh rate you want to use. So for instance, if you go to the calculator app, for instance, I do not need 120 Hertz for the calculator. So I can set that to a maximum of 60. I can go and look at another app. So for instance, if I have games and stuff that needs high refresh rate, I can set specific high refresh rate for those specific apps. So that's basically how to adjust refresh rate on your OnePlus 13. If I have an app like Netflix, maybe 90 Hertz is sufficient for that. If I have some games, like I'd said, you can choose specific refresh rates for specific applications. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.